Best tips for cultivating showy Garden Croton indoors. Garden Croton's Codiaeum variegatum are prized for their striking, multicolored leaves. When grown indoors, they require special care to maintain their vibrant hues and healthy foliage. Follow these expert tips to keep your croton thriving inside your home. 1. Provide bright, indirect light. Place your croton near a south or east-facing window with plenty of indirect sunlight. Too little light will cause the leaves to fade, while too much direct sunlight may scorch them. If natural light is limited, use grow lights to supplement brightness. 2. Use well-draining soil. A rich, well-draining potting mix is essential. Best mix: peat moss plus perlite plus compost for moisture retention and aeration. Avoid heavy clay soils that trap excess moisture. 3. Maintain the right watering routine. Water when the top inch of soil is dry. Crotons prefer consistent moisture, but dislike soggy soil. Reduce watering in winter when growth slows. Always use a pot with drainage holes to prevent root rot. 4. Keep humidity high. Crotons thrive in 50 to 70% humidity if your home is dry. Mist the leaves with water. Use a humidifier. Place the pot on a pebbled tray with water. Avoid placing your croton near air vents or heaters, as dry air causes leaf drop. 5. Maintain warm temperatures. Crotons love warmth. Keep temperatures between 65–85 degrees Fahrenheit, 18–29 degrees Celsius. Avoid cold drafts. Keep them away from open windows, air conditioners, and cold rooms. 6. Feed regularly for vibrant leaves. Use a balanced liquid fertilizer 10-10-10 or 20-20-20 once a month during spring and summer. Reduce feeding in fall and winter when growth slows. 7. Prune for shape and health. Trim leggy stems to maintain a bushy, full look. Remove yellow or dead leaves to encourage new growth. 8. Watch for pests and diseases. Common pests: spider mites, mealybugs, and scale insects. Wipe leaves with a damp cloth or spray with neem oil to prevent infestations. Avoid overwatering to prevent fungal diseases. 9. Repot when necessary. Repot every 2 to 3 years when roots outgrow the pot. Choose a 1 to 2 inch larger pot to prevent excessive soil moisture. 10. Avoid moving crotons too often. Crotons are sensitive to sudden changes in light, temperature, and humidity. If you must move them, do it gradually to prevent leaf drop. By following these tips, your indoor croton will stay lush, colorful, and healthy all year round. Care tips for croton plants: keep the soil slightly moist but not soggy. Rotate the plant occasionally for even growth. Avoid moving them frequently, as they dislike sudden changes in environment. Check for pests like spider mites and mealybugs and treat with neem oil if necessary. Benefits of croton plants: air purification, helps remove indoor pollutants. Aesthetic appeal: their bright foliage adds beauty to homes and gardens. Low maintenance: once established, they require minimal care. Good for feng shui: crotons symbolize positivity and bring energy to a space.